Another Dogolarity, very special, very beautiful, very lalicious, very judicious, very ewo. Mi ò tí ẹ mọ̀ ìbò tí mo fẹ́ fi qualify mọ́. Àǹtí ẹ̀jọ̀ bá mi dábí kọ́ yín fáwọn tó ń wò wá lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
Orúkọ mi ni Ọláwálé Adéọlá aka Ìyá Indomie.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Ìyá Indomie àwọn lẹ̀ ń wò yẹn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé lè bá mi sọ ìdí tẹ́ ẹ fi wá sí Our Garden Restaurant and Bar lónìí.
A wá fún birthday èèyàn kan tó ṣe pàtàkì. Bọ̀dá Kọ́lá is a very jovial person. In fact, I don't know how to describe him. He's just too kind, too nice, very, very jovial. So kò ṣe birthday èèyàn kan téèyàn kan lè pàtì. No matter how busy you are, you have to be there. So that's why I'm here.
So what is your prayer for Mr. Kola Olatunji, who is celebrating the 50 years birthday today?
I wish him long life and prosperity. May God bless his handwork, bless his family, bless everything he has laid his hand, and he will continue to lay his hand upon.
Thank you very much, ma. How do you do? I can see you are looking fine. Sir, could you please tell me your name for the sake of people who are looking at you right now?